YouTube, and welcome back to my channel.
Hey you guys!
Now I know it's been quiet the last few weeks. I haven't posted anything. However, I wanted to make a short garage based video just to give you an update as to what's happening. There's been a couple of events, if you like. One, obviously we're in the middle of a lockdown due to the coronavirus, so it's not just me, nobody's going anywhere. And number two, some of you know, at the end of February I managed to come off a motorcycle in Spain, and the only two things I can ride just now are these two bad boys. Broken my leg and damaged some ligaments in my shoulder, but recovering well. So hopefully once all this COVID nonsense is done, I will go back to normality. I'll be fit to ride again. Now I mentioned in my last video that I was getting a new motorcycle, and I can't really wait till the lockdown's over, and I'm going to show you what I got today. So without further ado, here she is. So I'm going to finish the video here. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you like my new bike. I certainly do. In the meantime, please observe the lockdown. The sooner it's over, the sooner we can get back on the bikes and ride, which is a good thing. So look after yourselves, take care, and ride safe.